There's hardly a better comfort food than homemade spaghetti. The rich combination of pasta, tomato sauce, and creamy cheese make this million-dollar spaghetti recipe a winner for your weeknight dinner. To begin, bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook 1 8-ounce package of spaghetti in the boiling water, stirring occasionally until cooked through but firm to the bite, which should take about 12 minutes or whatever the directions on the box say. Then, drain your pasta and you're ready for the next step. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook and stir 1 pound of lean ground beef in the hot skillet until browned and crumbly. Drain and discard leftover grease and transfer to a separate bowl. Mix in 1 16-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce into your ground beef. You could substitute your favorite homemade sauce here too. Check out tons of tomato sauce recipes on allrecipes.com and let us know in the comments what kind of sauce you like to use. Mix 1 8-ounce container of cottage cheese, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and 1/4 cup of sour cream together in a bowl. Now let's get layering. In a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, place 1/4 cup of butter in slices along the bottom. Then spread half of your spaghetti into the dish. Next is your creamy cheese mixture. Layer remaining spaghetti over the top of the cheese and top the remaining 1/4 cup of pats of butter. Lastly, pour your ground beef mixture over the spaghetti and spread to cover casserole. Now you're ready to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Spread an 8-ounce package of shredded sharp cheddar cheese over the casserole and continue baking until cheese has melted and is lightly browned, about 15 more minutes. With all those rich, creamy, and delicious layers, this spaghetti is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Let us know what you think of this warm and cozy casserole, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.